everyone. This is my third day out riding and the first day I've actually been able to produce a video. The first 2 days just had problems with cables and forgetting how to hook things up and how to run things. So yeah, every year it's the same thing, just have to learn the whole process over again. But it was actually a nice day today. The first 2 other days were kind of short. They were not as warm as today. So just thought I'd start getting ready for taking off in May, but because the learning process every year, it's surprising, you know, after doing it for 6 months and then all of a sudden you forget everything. But anyways, hope that this turns out okay, and we'll talk again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.